Makers, in this video we will solve two different Python exercises using bubble sorting. The first problem is finding two maximum elements of an array from a given array. To solve this problem, first let us define a function bubblesort which takes array ARR as an argument. For elements in the given array, the function will take the largest element of the array to the last index of the array by swapping the largest element form index I to index I plus 1. After the for loop execute one time, we will get the largest element at the end of the array, which is at index -1. Since we are ordered to find two largest elements of the array, we need to execute the for loop twice to get two largest elements of the array. We can execute the for loop twice by using another for loop or while loop, which will be executed for twice above the for loop. Now let us verify our code using example. We get the two maximum elements of the given array at index -1 and -2, or at the end of the array. Now let us go to the next problem. The next problem is to find the maximum difference between elements of the array. The maximum difference of the array is subtraction of the maximum element from the minimum elements of the array. So to solve this problem, first we have to find the maximum and minimum elements of the array, and their difference will be maximum difference. Even if there are some other methods to find maximum and minimum elements of an array in this specific video, first we will sort the array using bubble sorting, then the element of the sorted array at index 0 will be the minimum and at index -1 will be the maximum element of the array. To sort the entire array in bubble sort, we have to repeat the for loop on the above problem for length of the given array, which is len of ARR. After finding the maximum and minimum of the array, we have to return maximum minus minimum as final output. If we take a random array, we get the expected output as maximum difference. Thank you for your time and consider subscribing.